Hello guys, in today's video, the successor to one of the best sellers from Oukitel comes to us in a new edition that offers even more outstanding performance. With a massive 22,000 mAh battery that lasts for days and days, up to 24GB RAM with the currently best 4G chipset on the market, Helio G99, a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz refresh rate display with the indestructible case for all terrain conditions. Be sure to watch this Oukitel WP19 Pro video review and find out more. So let's start right away with unboxing and find out the contents of this package. Okay, this is a smartphone. We will put it aside and see the rest of what we got here. Oukitel WP19 Pro detailed user manual with the rest of the paperwork, warranty card. Here is a SIM pin to open the SIM tray, USB Type-C cable, and finally we have a 33-watt rapid fast charger. Okay, that was the contents of this sales package. Now let's take a look at our smartphone. At the first glance, you can conclude that this is a phone for a real man and that is not for delicate woman's hands. Big and heavy, but not without a reason. One of those smartphones that instills confidence in its longevity. You can feel it as soon as you hold it in your hand. It is such as a powerful impression. The back of the phone is made of a high quality synthetic rubber layer, which gives the appearance of solid and durable. Its backside is pleasant to the touch, and rest assured you will never see your fingerprints on it again. There is also a visually interesting, a very large model that houses 3 different camera sensors and LED flash. On the right side, in a grey metal frame that exudes a robustness and a straight, we find these metal perforated buttons, very pleasant to the touch. It is a volume up and down button, and below it is a power button with the finger unlock option. On the opposite side, under the rubber cover that guarantees 100% water resistance, there is a SD card tray with even 3 available slots. This offers for use of a 2 nano 4G SIM cards simultaneously, along with the micro SD card expandable by up to 2 TB. You also notice a programmable button here, which can be customized to perform various functions with a phone or compatible applications. This button can be activated with the long press. Heading to the bottom of the device, shielded by a rubber seal to preserve the IP68 waterproof rating, you'll come across the USB charging port. Right alongside it, you'll discover the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back side we have a speaker grills, under which is a very loud speaker is hidden. There is also the Oukitel logo, and up in this round model we find a triple set of cameras with the LED flash and the infrared sensor for night photography. Everything seems very nice and well made in detail. In short, the smartphone seems really reliable in every aspect. So for the front, the screen is really large, a 6.8-inch FullHD Plus with the 2K resolution with the 83% screen to body ratio, 120Hz refresh rate. It also has a 397 ppi and a scratch protection. In the center part there is a 60 megapixel front camera with the face lock function, which will be perfect for selfies and video calls. The content on the screen will flow pleasantly and fluidly. The IPS Plus panel produces a rich, vibrant and crystal clear content reproduction. The screen is protected by a corning coated glass protection, which ensures clear visibility in all lighting conditions as well as outside in the strong sunlight. And I really have to say that this is one of the brightest screens I used, so if you are often out in the sun, this smartphone with this display is what you need. Excellent large display for viewing documents on demanding websites and the multimedia content, especially videos on YouTube. With this large battery on the WP19 Pro, it can last for hours and hours. 36 hours of a video viewing as claimed by the manufacturer. The refresh rate is 120 Hz, is a real feast for your eyes. The game experience will also be improved by this fast responsive screen. So what can I say, this is a great display, just what this impressive smartphone deserves, and Oukitel did a great job here. Now let's go from behind and take a look at this set of cameras. In the camera module, surrounded by the red circle border and the stylized details that shows the chips, I must admit that it looks very interesting, and there are 3 lenses and the LED flash here. Main is a 64 megapixel with a Samsung sensor, 20 megapixel infrared night vision, has a Sony sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro lens for those special moments and details you want to see better. WP19 Pro is armed with the most powerful infrared night vision function in a 20 megapixel lens with super clear vision ability. If you are really like spending the night in the nature, camping and doing photos, this camera could be of great use. So to get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using the Oukitel WP19 Pro, so let's have a look. The WP90 Pro operates on the already well-known, traditionally proven MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. This powerful chipset is built on 6nm technology, offering advanced energy efficiently and is currently standing as the fastest 4G chipset in the market. With its octa-core configuration, it strikes a perfect balance between power efficiency and high-performance computing. When it comes to memory, the WP90 Pro sets a new standard with the generous 8GB space RAM that you can upgrade with the additional virtual 16GB of RAM memory of up to 24GB RAM, which is additionally ensure smooth multitasking and a light, fast performance. In terms of storage, the phone offers a generous 256GB storage capacity, which can be further extended up to 2TB for those who require extra space. The WP90 Pro truly delivers exceptional performance in this price range, surpassing the capabilities of other smartphones in its category, offering an unmatched user experience that caters to a wide range of needs. For passionate gamers, this phone can offer what many more expensive smartphones cannot. It effortlessly handles the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store, providing top-notch performance even in the highest settings. The powerful hardware, combined with the unique several-dimension graphene film cooling system, efficiently manages temperatures to prevent overheating during extended gaming seasons. With the WP90 Pro can offer die-hard gamers its incredible durability of gaming, all with the help of a massive 22,000 mAh battery, guaranteeing hours and hours of uninterrupted gaming pleasure. So if you are a patient gamer who enjoys playing the latest titles, purchasing the WP90 Pro is certainly a wise choice. It is a device worth considering for its exceptional performance and gaming capabilities. You can also expect quick charging, as this huge battery full charge with the 33V charger in a little over 3 hours, which is an excellent result for such a large battery. Don't forget to mention that this huge battery also gives you an incredible 2588 hours of standby time, 122 hours of calling, and up to 36 hours of video playback. The WP90 Pro runs on the latest pure Android 13 operating system, provides a clean and familiar user interface. It comes preloaded with essential Google applications, ensuring seamless integration with the Google ecosystem. Additionally, it offers useful pre-installed applications such as System Manager Optimizer and a toolbox that can come in handy in various field situations. Notably, the phone supports NFC, making it compatible with the Google Pay with convenient mobile payments. It also features a reliable GPS system with supports for 4 satellites. The WP90 Pro also provides some of the best protection ratings among all rugged phones, with the IP68 and IP69K durability standards. When you pair this with a solid build, a metal frame plus a rubber back, you got a phone panel that can withstand any kind of damage. Do I have to emphasize that this beast of the smartphone, ensuring it's resistant to dust and water entry. It can survive submersion in water in a depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. However, it has passed the rigorous military standard MIL-STD 810H, which tests its durability in extreme temperatures and environments, which further establish its robustness. The Oukitel WP19 Pro is a truly unique smartphone, and those who are thinking about buying it will know its characteristics very well, such as a battery that lasts for days, a large working memory of up to 24GB RAM with the current best 4G chipset on the market, Helio G99, excellent 6.8-inch FullHD plus 120Hz refresh rate display. Let's not forget a capable 64MP triple camera with the infrared night photography function. All this packed with the indestructible case for all field conditions, huge battery of as much of 22,000 mAh, and all this at a competitive price. If you're impressed by this unique look, great features and the capabilities of WP90 Pro, and I know you are after this review, don't miss your chance to take advantage of your promotional pricing available right now. The official sales links are available below this video, so hurry up and get get your new Oukitel WP19 Pro today while there is still a chance. And if you enjoy in this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, we'll see you soon in the next video review, bye.